Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Finxocapital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. And in crypto news, the Gulf is abuzz as the Bitcoin MENA conference kicks off in Abu Dhabi. Notable attendees include Eric Trump and Steve Witkoff, spotlighting the Trump family's deepening involvement in the cryptocurrency world. With Bitcoin recently smashing the $100,000 mark, the event is drawing over 6,000 participants, including big names like Justin Sun, founder of Tron, and Binance Changpeng Zhao. The crypto market is at a crossroads, bolstered by promises from President-elect Trump to make America the crypto capital of the planet. And in Forex news, political uncertainty is stirring global markets. South Korea's won neared two-year lows as President Yoon faced legal scrutiny, and China's surprising 0.6% drop in consumer prices stoked fears of inadequate economic recovery efforts. Meanwhile, the euro dipped slightly, and the dollar remains strong ahead of US inflation data expected Wednesday. This week's central bank meetings, particularly in the Eurozone and Canada, could see significant rate cuts, shaping the Forex landscape. And in geopolitical headlines, Syrian rebels have seized Damascus, marking the end of Bashar al-Assad's regime. The fallout has been felt across markets, with Russia scrambling to maintain its strategic foothold in the Middle East. Gold prices saw a slight uptick as investors turned to safe haven assets amid the chaos. Meanwhile, central banks globally brace for shifts as geopolitical tensions and economic data continue to clash. Closer to home, US markets are laser-focused on the upcoming inflation report, which could solidify a December rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Tech stocks are riding high, with Nasdaq gains boosting market confidence. However, the inflation read could set the tone for early 2025, with investors closely watching Fed Chair Jerome Powell's next moves. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures are showing slight dips today as caution dominates trading floors. And finally, in commodities news, oil prices climbed slightly on the back of Middle Eastern turmoil but faced downward pressure from China's weakening demand. Brent crude is up 30 cents, trading at $71.41 per barrel, while gold remains steady at $2,644.91 an ounce. Notably, China's central bank has resumed gold purchases, adding a layer of support for bullion prices. Traders are also eyeing US inflation data, which could shift sentiment in both oil and gold markets this week. Thank you for tuning in to Finxocapital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.